everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. Today's video is going to be a short little update because it's been a very busy day over here. I started my morning by packing orders, lots of orders. I spent a good chunk of the day getting everything organized, printed, and ready to go. After that, I moved on to crocheting plushies for current orders from my Etsy store and my online shop. I ended up making a total of 12 small plushies today, which honestly kept my hands busy the entire time. Between crocheting and packing, the day flew by so fast. By the end of the day, I had packed 31 orders in total, all ready to be dropped off at the post office tomorrow. It feels really satisfying seeing everything lined up and ready to go. That's pretty much it for today's update. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my small business. It truly means the world to me. If you enjoyed this kind of what I do in a day update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.